Do you want to start sports but lack the motivation to? Do you feel you aren't good enough or talented to get there? Do you think you are a nobody in sports?
Hey guys, I'm Dhruv Kauskar.
Hey, I'm Neef Pungalia. Hi, I'm Salil Vaidya.
I always played a lot of table tennis. Yeah, that's me. And then I started running. I got into long distance cycling and I attempted to learn professional swimming as well. And after all of that, I ended up as a nobody in sport.
1920. I haven't run half marathons. I don't know how to play sports like basketball, tennis, table tennis, and so many other sports. As a matter of fact, I don't even go to the gym. I am a nobody.
Even I am a nobody. I started running with the motivation of improving my stamina. Initially the process was slow. I ran only maybe around 500 meters. There were times where I felt breathless, but the inner me kept screaming, "Don't quit."
You know, giving up isn't the only option. There's always a choice. As soon as I woke up each morning, I had these two choices. One was to keep sleeping in my cozy bed, and the other was to make an impulsive decision to get up immediately. Making the other choice has always got me to where I am today. That is, I can run 10 kilometers comfortably, and also recently in the past month, I cycled for 100 kilometers.
When I run, I am all alone with myself. Whether it's a 10-kilometer run or just a small jog around the corner. This gives me a chance to communicate with myself without any hesitation. If I ever have a bad day, just one run outdoors, with my heart racing and blood gushing, I have a fresh vision again. I like to say it as if I've started running away from everything. Everything, as in whatever disturbs my mind.
Even though I'm a complete nobody to sports, sports is like somebody with whom I'm in a serious relationship with. You know, it's painful at times with a lot of bumps, but at the end of the day, it's worth it. Sports has given me a direction when I felt that I was lost. You know, I was a complete crybaby before. You know, I used to cry after every single match I lost in table tennis, but now I look at failure as an opportunity. Running has taught me that like everything is in the state of mind, boss. Matlab, if you think you can do it now, then you will get there. And you know that feeling when you get that you're completely satisfied with something? A good cycle ride gives me that exact feeling. Sports has given a nobody like me something which I couldn't have imagined.
I play sports for the sheer fun of it. It is what that kickstarts my day with a bang. Personally, for me, it's been my parents and friends who have given that continuous boost for exercising day in and day out.
Stepping out itself is a huge success, and from then it's a continuous process. From setting goals, running marathons, studying shoes and sports equipments, tracking performance on health gadgets. Soon you will realize that runs end, but running doesn't.
Basically what we are trying to say is, sports कुछ किताब नहीं है कि रट लिया और सब हो गया.
Sports has an infinite pool of knowledge and learning. When two people try the same sport, they have completely unique and different experiences. For that matter, trying different sports is like exploring yourselves in a new way.
When we say that we are a nobody, it means that we aren't accomplished professionals, but we are passionate about sports.
In our upcoming videos, we will connect and talk with a lot of people and understand what their experience or takeaway was from sports. People just like you and me, accomplished or a nobody.